Of course, perfect sense. Wearing a bit thin. I hope the ears are a bit less conspicuous this time.
We are. I'm gonna flip this around. Okay. Hey there. Me.
Tim, for some unforsaken reason, the executioner.
Who's that? Who's that?
Eye candy too.
Eye candy, yeah. We have a fangirl.
Yeah.
We have a groupie.
A groupie.
Yeah.
Woo! Like I was saying earlier,
Hold the camera right, dude.
I am gonna hold it however I please. This is going to be a weird one. We do a bunch of old stuff with new things. If that makes any sense. We will see you guys shortly.
Okay, Phoenix. It's finally time for you to see who you really are.
There we go.
What's up? I'm so fancy.
Woo! What does this do? Does it sound just like... Just get some sound files like the bear cow from Modern Warfare 2? Let's do this. Alright. That's how we do things in this town!
Now for some relaxation. Maybe I'll fix up the T-Mix a little bit. Make it nice and pretty. Yes, indeed. What's this? Looks like a gift.
Phoenix, it's me.
Better turn down the sound system.
No, don't touch that system.
Outside. Anyways. That's trash. Huh.
Phoenix, you can't hide from me forever. It's time for you to face your destiny, who you really are.
What's going on here?
Phoenix, do you have any idea where you are right now?
I'll find out eventually. Why am I here?
You ever heard of the Doctor? That's you. Hiding from yourself after the effects of the Time War. What do you think would happen if the Doctor did not exist?
There'd be millions upon millions of lives gone.
And I will prove that you're the Doctor. For instance, after you left the Time War, you always wear a suit, even though the Executioner wears normal clothes, and you still wear a suit. You not find that suspicious at all?
If I can say something, please.
The T-Mix. You couldn't steal the Navy TARDIS anymore. You changed it to T-Mix, and instead of a police box, you changed it to a car. You changed the desktop theme into a smaller booth for the T-Mix interior.
So what's it gonna be? If you haven't noticed yet, the fact that I have saved countless lives and don't even care that people say anything else about me, the fact that I am more heroic than anybody else here, then you, sir, are wrong.
My point exactly. You still want to help people. You don't call yourself a doctor anymore, but you're still trying to help everybody, no matter where they are and what the cost may be. You are the Doctor. You know the big threat that you have against you right now, your enemies. You're vulnerable, Phoenix, or I should say, Doctor.
I'll take that challenge.
I've brought you here to face your destiny. I'm sending you and Tim on one last challenge. You're gonna see that you're the doctor by watching yourself. It's time. Executioner, you have an idea where you are?
Nope. The hell am I doing here?
Do you know who I am?
Not really, but let's go with yeah.
What do you see yourself as?
Criminally insane.
Executioner?
Phoenix?
What?
Yeah, I win! I win! I win! I win! Oh.
You believe yourself to be immortal. You will not be for long. It might help you to find out by thinking about this. How many times do you think you've died over the course of being the executioner?
Ow! Oh! Oh! Shit! Bacon skies! No! My leg! Okay. I understand.
It's time for you to find out who you really are. You're going to take a journey
Where?
back in time.
I understand.
Executioner, or should I call you the Master?
I remember this.
Grass is everywhere. That's a bird. That's a plane. Watch out, bird! That was a bird. Phoenix! Snipers.
You guys help!
He looked familiar.
Alright, so how the hell do I get out of here? Alright, man. Put the gun down.
Okay. Alright.
Civilized.
Alright.
My leg!
Oh. Get out of here.
Master, step into this portal to be in your future.
Oh, this is freaking confusing. Kinda sucks. Alright, so let me explain this to you. I went in the door, came out of the door, went back in time. Make sense?
Yeah.
Is that?
Listen, we need to talk.
How about you just go away?
What? That's us. I remember when you were that asshole.
I'm still that asshole.
You still are that asshole. Alright, so I'm gonna get some help with this real quick.
Tim.
I have a lot talked about you.
Oh God. Why don't you just please go away? I just asked you just right then. It just gets crazier and crazier every day.
Phoenix, is this convincing you that you're the doctor?
Oh. That's Get zapped! Telekinesis must be the time of vortex energy. That must have followed me from Gallifrey. I have to stop you!
Where could he have gone? I cannot lose him! What are you gonna do? You can't exactly charge me with anything.
But you need to remember that I helped you. I should probably go and get you out of here somehow. Probably get it.
Kind of a wall here.
Yeah, there is.
Ideas.
Alright.
I guess it's not this way. Oh, what are you doing?
I'm scanning for a disruption.
Even the smallest things you do, something that shows that you're the doctor. Even the smallest things. Is this enough to convince you?
That's when you, yeah. So what if I am? What's all been changed?
Really? Phoenix, or Doctor, take a look at all the stuff you've done. You are the Doctor.
I shouldn't even be here right now.
We have to get this out of you.
I didn't leave.
And what happened?
I don't know, you disappeared.
I didn't do anything!
just because you have history on me just means my future is destined. Anyone can change their future. It all depends on what they choose to do.
Now, ladies.
What?
Stop! You're making me giddy!
Here we go again.
You're needed. You mustn't die, Doctor.
Many of your enemies were delighted with death, Doctor. You know that.
You're needed.
Die, Doctor!
All these things you've done since you've come to the planet Earth after the Time War, it's something the Doctor would do. Look at everything you've done. This is what the TARDIS is supposed to look like.
Can I have a look at that?
No, it's only an old relic. Like me.
Where did you get it?
I was found with it.
What do you mean?
An orphan in the storm. I was a child found on the coast of the Silver Devastation. Abandoned with only this. Does it matter?
You might think you can't regenerate because you're not dying. But secretly all the stress inside you has been killing you. All these years, hiding from yourself, and it's killing you. I can add on one extra regeneration to make up for this one. And now it's time for you to see who I am.
This is the Doctor. This is Doctor speaking. Reverse the polarity.
Listen carefully to me.
Send me there.
Coordinates elude me at the moment.
Hello, please.
Crashes first, think it through.
And for my next trick? I don't want to go. Protected.
Hello there.
What?
And I am the new Doctor.
My Majesty. Destroy him. And you will give your power to me.
I'm ready now.
The Doctor.
Fantastic.
We need it! Continuity errors. Oh, we're gonna have a huge Jackman moment where the bullet just pops out. So we just got our first shot done of SOG. We're heading off to our second shot.
For two.
Attaboy! Woo! That's how we do things in this town! Alright, I guess we'll go ahead and let you guys go there, and we'll see you.
Yeah.